Hey loves, it's Shelby, and if this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. I am the owner of Shelby Christian Stationery. I'm also the writer behind Shelby.com, and as always, I am back this Thursday with another video. I said I was going to do better about getting in front of the camera, so today I'm doing a studio vlog. It is like 7:45, so I literally have like 15 minutes before work, but I printed out some more women affirmation cards, so I wanted to go ahead and pack those before I start work today, and get those like restocked since I sold out. So that is what you will see me doing today. So I'm gonna hush and get to it since I don't have that much time. All right, thanks. It is so weird coming back and doing voiceovers when I actually already have an intro. Anyways, I am trying to do a better job of getting in front of the camera. I hope you guys appreciate me actually stepping in and showing my face. Of course, I did forget to record an outro, an ending to the video, so I do apologize in advance. But I was literally like rushing through this, as you can imagine, because like I said, I only had 15 minutes before work started. But literally, I just try to make the most of the time that I have. That is the way and the only way that I'm able to do this, because, being a mom, working full-time, and trying to maintain the blog as well as the shop, and then still trying to produce video content and show up on social media. It's a whole lot sometimes, and so you just have to make time with the time that you have. So I try to get in as much as I can with the little bit of time that I do have. So this is me just speeding through, literally putting together these affirmation card set. And if you have been around, I'm so sorry because all the notifications went off now. If you've been around my blog for a while now, you probably have seen these affirmations before. It's one of my most popular blog posts. It's the Christian women's affirmation blog post that I wrote. Literally, the affirmations itself came from a letter that I found that I wrote to myself. So yes, like literally I randomly found this letter. I liked what I read. I was like, oh, don't even remember writing this. Don't know what prompted me to write this to myself, but I liked it and I decided to share it, and it became like a really popular blog post of mine. And so when I started the stationery shop and I was looking for, more products to add, I decided that it made sense to add these affirmation cards since it did so well as a blog post. So that's literally the whole muse, the story behind these Christian women affirmation cards. It's 10 cards. One side is an affirmation, the other side is like a relevant or related Bible verse, because I have to stand on my scripture, right? For everything. But yes, so that is what you see me packing here, some more women affirmation card sets. I love these sets. These are like the first set that I did in my shop that had like a colored background. So you'll notice that one side is pink, which was really fun, like doing that for the first time and seeing like, if my printer could really stand up to it and like do it well. But it does a great job with these cards. They always come out looking amazing, thank goodness. And the ones that don't, I am quick to throw away. That's actually one of the reasons why it takes me so long to pack these cards. Like, of course I could just take these sets and put them together quickly, but I do inspect the front and the back every single time. Sometimes I notice that random imperfections will be on the cards, and so I'm always throwing them away. I don't want anybody to get a set that's not perfect, quite literally, because when I'm getting something from a business, I do expect it to be in amazing condition, because you're paying money for it. So that's literally why it takes me so long to put these cards cards together because I like to inspect both sides, make sure everything looks good and that everything's in good condition before packaging these up. And then, you know, I can't have the cards be complete without rounding the corners. So of course, I'm just rounding the corners of the cards. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did get some new cellophane bags or silo bags, whatever you want to call them. But I got some new ones and I really love them. They look so professional, like Rose says. But I got some new cards and I love them. They like have the hanging tag on them, so they're perfect for like my wholesale orders. But they also just look super cute to me and like very professional. And then you'll probably notice if you ordered from the shop recently that they now do have like the warning labels on there. So I have been putting those on there. They're not the cutest thing, you know, in the world, but you got to do what you got to do. So you'll see that I'm putting stickers on the back of the cards, and that's what I was doing. I was putting the warning label stickers on there. I do also put branding stickers on like all the items that I sell as well, but I don't think I got video of me doing that since I didn't have the stickers like ready when I was doing this before work. But yeah, I was just restocking because a good friend of mine decided that she wanted to buy all the women affirmation cards that I have, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Talitha. But yes, that's what you see me doing here, and I hope you guys enjoy this footage.
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.